David and Victoria Beckham are a family that's never short of luxurious places. Still, their permanent residence in London, located in the exclusive area of Holland Park, is unique. Not only is this home jaw-dropping, but it's also rightly suited for the family's needs. Join us as we give you a virtual experience of the Beckham house. Now, David and Victoria Beckham's West London house is a mansion in Holland Park in the Royal Borough of Kensington and Chelsea, which they purchased in 2013. The professional footballer and fashion designer's mansion, worth an estimated £31 million, features 6 bedrooms, an indoor pool, a wine cellar, a gym, and even separate quarters, initially renovated at £8 million in 2016. The project was originally given to Kelly Hoppen before the baton was passed to Rose Uniacke, the queen of serene, refined spaces, a choice which was concurrent with Victoria's shift in personal style. According to Vogue, the project spanned 50 planning applications, and in 2016, the Beckhams eventually successfully moved into their current townhouse. Now, the exterior of the home is very impressive, with a portico to cover the entrance, double doors, and a fence. In an Instagram post, Victoria shared a look at the entrance to their home when she went on the school run one day. She showed their black and white tiled path and black double front door with ironwork over the glass panels. The front entrance redefines cozy and what a wide-open invitation is. Imagine a lovely black and white tiled path leading up to a magnificent black double front door with charming ironwork accents above the glass panels that provide a touch of elegance. In 2017, Victoria Beckham shared a snapshot of her home's magnificent exterior as the family prepared for Halloween. The house features a black wrought iron canopy with lights, ideal for hanging spooky skeletons, and a cream and black tiled path for a distinguished entry. Now, regarding the monochrome theme, the Beckhams have genuinely nailed it here. With dramatic black and white tiled flooring and a row of wall-mounted lights that provide a touch of glamour, the artistic features employed in this part of the house make it a worthy sight to behold. The Beckhams' entryway features a giant staircase with what looks like a large window on the first floor facing the lawn. Now, as you would expect from a fashion designer, the apartment is immaculately designed, with a massive arched doorway leading into another room and a chandelier hanging at the top of the staircase. But that's not all. Victoria likes the staircase case in the foyer of their home. It's become her go-to site for those stunning outfit of the day photographs. In this photo, many people were drawn to Victoria's gorgeous hallway, which she released while wearing crutches and a cast due to a ski injury. Like the rest of their mansion, the black and white theme continues to the foyer space. Now, the foyer features sleek black and white marble floors that perfectly complement the elegant white staircase with this beautiful Baroque railing. The Beckham's kitchen is stunning, and it's simple to understand why. It's the perfect blend of beauty and utility, with sleek black cupboards, open oak shelves illuminated by strip lighting, and cutting-edge appliances. It was serving as a genuine focal point in their West London home. Now, the area combines modern design's excellent refinement and an opulent home's allure. What makes the kitchen extra special is the perfect fusion of classic and contemporary elements. Its huge window lets in abundant natural light, bringing out the warm tones of the stainless steel accents and the rustic wood. According to Simon Ribchester, head of design at Beams, this mix of materials creates a sense of luxury. He adds that the Beckham's kitchen beautifully pairs rustic wood and sleek stainless steel, a look that's both timeless and on-trend, offering an organic meets modern vibe. With its organic meets modern aesthetic that is both classic and trendy, the Beckham's kitchen is a stunning example. Now, the kitchen is not only helpful, but also fashionable. To make storage more accessible, the middle island unit has hanging saucepans on top and bar stools around the sides. Besides this, the elegant glassware displayed on an open shelf above the sink and the tall wall units are accessible via a well-thought-out staircase. At the kitchen's heart is also an eye-catching black 4-oven AGA, which starts at 12,785 pounds. It's the ideal cooking partner because it has ovens specifically for baking, roasting, warming, and simmering, and it's indeed made for a family of 6. In a recent TikTok video, Victoria and Romeo showed viewers this opulent setting. The kitchen is both functional and entertaining. As you may have noticed from the Dualit toaster and the flat-screen TV in the background, it's evident that the kitchen is as practical as it is gorgeous. Whether they're preparing supper or simply spending time together, the magic happens in the kitchen. From goofy videos to David Beckham's famous pancake flips. Now, the dining room of Victoria and David Beckham's lovely home is a cozy and welcoming area. The ground floor's gorgeous hardwood flooring is also present in this room. At the center of this room is the long oak dining table with benches big enough to comfortably are benches large sufficient to accommodate the whole family, and as Harper might confirm, even be used for a quick nap. One of the focal points of Victoria and David Beckham's living room is the open log fire and the elaborately carved cream fireplace that surrounds it. It's the ideal spot to warm yourself on cold nights. Between the two comfortable armchairs by the bay window is a stunning mahogany table that commands attention and is topped with a huge glass vase filled with fresh flowers and a fragrant dip-tight candle. Now, the living room is a real family hub in Beckham's London home, especially during birthdays and holidays. You ever wonder what Victoria does to keep those shapes tight, or how David keeps those arms tight and firm? Well, the answer is the gym, and, well, it's pretty awesome, so come take a look as we explore. Victoria mentioned that she starts her day with an hour on the treadmill, and her gym is fully decked out with all sorts of fitness gear, ideally suited for a fitness enthusiast like her. And guess what? Little Harper has been known to join in on the fun too. Victor and Harper Beckham redefine family leisure with matching bathrobes and a charming snapshot of their comfortable family home. The backdrop shows a large wardrobe area with modern cupboards, ideal for organizing their beautiful attire. A stunning chandelier adds a touch of luxury to the room, illuminating the scene and giving it a refined feel. The ultimate style icon and current fashion mogul, Victoria Beckham, frequently lets her admirers into her world by sharing pictures of her opulent home. Specifically, her bathroom could easily pass for a 5-star hotel suite. The marble flooring gleams under gentle lighting, while a large mirror offers the perfect setup for her cosmetic instruction. Fresh flowers add a delicate touch of nature to this glamorous space that's designed to inspire calm and creativity. The Beckham bathrooms are more than just locations for self-care, though. They're also places for making memories. David and Romeo had a lovely father-son bonding moment in one sleekly built restroom. The design is sleek yet inviting, with a wide wall-mounted mirror and a carefully picked selection of high-end amenities. Personal touches abound, including a framed portrait from one of Victoria's design shows, demonstrating that the home is as much about heart as it is about beauty. Finally, there's Victoria's lovely dressing room. Now, the place is magnificent, as one would expect from the 90s pop icon and trailblazer. It features a striking black and white closet with an open rack that beautifully displays her impressive clothes. The dressing room is useful and intended for relaxation and inspiration. A vibrant green sofa, a plum-colored armchair, and a sweeping black rug form a sleek sitting room ideal for planning her following collection or relaxing with a cup of tea. Now, the garden is a prominent feature and an entertainer's delight. It contains a large terrace where Harper can frequently be spotted sketching vivid chalk drawings. There's plenty of space for an inflatable paddling pool, as Victoria once demonstrated in a humorous Instagram caption, "What to do in London when it gets hot," setting up the fun paddling pool for the kids. The garden is more than just functional, it's enchanting, with fairy lights and lanterns adorning the trees. Whether it's a bright afternoon or a starlit evening, the outdoor refuge is ideal for family gatherings and playing. The garden and residence combined provide a tranquil respite from the rush and bustle of city life. However, the property never feels too serene. It's always alive with laughter and activity, evoking the vitality of a close-knit family. Whether lounging on the patio, playing games in the garden, or enjoying one another's company, the Beckhams have turned their Holland Park house into a true sanctuary of style, love, and togetherness. Whether daytime or nighttime, Victoria and David Beckham's lovely Holland Park home is a gem. It's a location where the family's love and creativity shine brightly with their 4 awesome kids: Brooklyn, Romeo, Cruz, and Harper. From quiet movie nights in their lavish home theater to culinary experiences in their kitchen, the Beckhams have built a space that combines high-end design with the comforts of everyday living. Thanks for joining us on this unique tour of the Beckhams' beautiful Holland Park home. From the lovely garden and lavish bathrooms to the cutting-edge kitchen and warm family areas, it's evident that this is more than just a home. It's a home filled with love, laughter, and style. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more celebrity home tours and lifestyle videos.